This is what happens when you don't lift weights. What you're seeing is an image of someone with normal bone structure and someone with osteoporosis in their spine. On the left, you see that the bone appears dense, well organized. This is a normal bone structure. The internal structure, known as the trabecular bone, looks tightly packed, which helps the vertebrae handle everyday loads. But what's different is the one on the right, this one right here. You see the osteoporotic bone looks much more porous. There's holes deep inside the actual structure of the bone. It's thinner, less dense, more spaced out, and less connected. And this gives the bone a more fragile, sponge-like appearance. It is less capable of handling normal stress, which is why osteoporotic bones are more vulnerable to compression fractures. And here's the takeaway. In order for you to reverse this or prevent this, you got to do resistance training where you're actually challenging your bone every day. Whether you're 20s, 30s, 40s, or beyond, you got to continue challenging your bone and your muscle because that's what's going to prevent you from developing osteoporotic bones. And that's what I see in my patients. Those patients who have no osteoporosis in their 50s, 60s, or even 70s are the ones that were consistently doing resistance training. My recommendation is to do resistance training at least 3 times a week for 30 minutes, going in there and challenging yourself. It doesn't matter whether you're doing machines or you're doing free weights. The point is that you're being consistent with your routine. Now, here's the important part. Resistance training is not only for your bones, it's also for your muscles. So you're gonna have increased muscle tissue preservation of your overall function. So as you get older, you're gonna have less risk of falling and having a fracture because you have more muscle and you have stronger bones. If you want a resistance training program that I can message you, comment resistance training, and I'll send it directly to your inbox.